All right, y'all, welcome back to TurfedOut, the show where we talk about the artificial turf. Today, we're answering a question I get all the time. Nick, should I use a foam cannon or regular hose end sprayer to apply the turf animal? The answer might surprise you, especially if you love the thick, pretty foam. Okay, so foam cannons, they look cool. They make your yard look like a frat party gone out of hand, right? But does looking cool actually clean artificial turf better? Today, we're going to break it down foam versus spray, specifically for live enzyme stain and odor removers like Turf Animal. What live enzymes actually need, here's the first thing you're going to have to understand live enzymes are not soap, they're living, breathing little workers that eat odor, causing bacteria in dog urine. You know, the pet funk and organic stains. And for enzymes to work, they need three things: moisture, contact, and penetration. So we don't need bubbles or fluff. Foam cannon, the cons with foam cannons are, okay, let's talk about the pros first. They look awesome on camera. They cling to the surfaces. They make you feel like you're deep cleaning. But here's the problem. Foam sits on top of the turf, and most of the enzymes stay suspended in the bubbles, and very little actually gets down into the infill and the backing where the actual odor lives. Foam cannons are great for cars, not great for artificial turf biology. Now, hose end sprayers. Let's talk about them. Okay. They're not sexy. It doesn't look cool on Instagram, but hey, it works. A hose end sprayer pushes turf animal deep into the turf, saturates the infill, delivers the enzymes exactly where urine and the bacteria hide. And here's the big one: it keeps the enzymes alive. Less agitation, less dilution, confusion, more effectiveness. Turf Animal was designed on purpose to be applied with the hose and sprayer. Okay, you mix this in the hose and sprayer. It's a live enzyme, all natural, pet safe, and kid safe. While it's whole foods, eco compliant, and all natural. So when you spray it, not foam it, you're letting it do exactly what it's engineered to do. So if you want to take a bubble bath, I guess use the foam cannon. But if you want your turf to actually stop smelling like a dog urinal, use a hose end sprayer. This is Turfed Out, where we don't sell hype, we sell the truth. Have a good one, guys. Like, subscribe, share this with someone who's foaming their turf wrong.